Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to reset home screen layout on your iPhone 7 Plus. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your settings and just tap on setting. When you tap on setting, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. When you can see option of general. When you tap on the option general, there is a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here when you scroll down the screen, you can see option of reset. When you scroll down, okay, just tap on reset option. When you tap on reset option, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here you can see a option of reset home screen layout. Okay, just tap on it. When you tap on it, a pop-up window will open on your screen just like this. Here just confirm reset home screen. When you confirm the reset home screen, the layout of your screen has been changed. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.